Hi, I am Elena Morgan from Future You Health. Everything you've been told about metabolism after 40 is wrong. It's not slowing down. It's your muscle that's disappearing. And most people fix the wrong thing entirely. Everything you've been told about metabolism after 40 is wrong. It's not slowing down. It's your muscle that's disappearing. And most people fix the wrong thing entirely. In 2021, a landmark study published in Science analyzed over 6,400 people across 29 countries. What they found shocked the medical world. Your metabolic rate stays remarkably stable from age 20 all the way to 60. It barely changes. The decline everyone blames, it doesn't happen the way we thought. So what's actually happening? It's called sarcopenia. Starting in your 30s, you lose 3 to 5% of muscle mass every decade. After 40, it accelerates. Here's why that matters. Muscle is your body's metabolic engine. Every pound of muscle burns roughly 6 calories at rest. Every pound of fat, only 2. Most people respond by eating less, they cut calories, skip meals, try restrictive diets, but that's fixing the wrong thing. You're starving a body that's already losing its engine. Harvard Medical School now recommends a different approach entirely. The priority isn't eating less, it's building more. Specifically, resistance training at least twice per week. A 12-week trial at Tufts University took adults over 40 and put them on a simple strength program. They gained back 4 pounds of lean muscle. Their resting metabolism jumped 7%. But exercise alone isn't enough. Your muscles need raw material. And what surprised researchers was how much protein most people over 40 are missing. The WHO recommends 0.8 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight. But recent research from the University of Arkansas says adults over 40 need at least 1.2 grams, 50% more. There's one more piece nobody talks about: creatine. It's not just for bodybuilders. A meta-analysis of 22 studies found creatine plus resistance training increased lean mass by 1.4 kilograms more than training alone. And vitamin D plays a critical role too. Low levels are linked to faster muscle wasting, yet nearly 42% of adults are deficient. Ask your doctor to check yours. So here's the one thing you can implement today that your future self will thank you for. Start 2 days per week of resistance training, not cardio, resistance. Not because it burns calories during the workout, but because every pound of muscle you rebuild becomes a 24-hour calorie-burning furnace. That compounds over the next decade. Start with just bodyweight squats, push-ups, and rows. Add protein at every meal. That single shift changes everything. And most people never start. Don't be most people. I'm Elena Morgan. If this changed how you think about aging and metabolism, subscribe and hit the bell. Your future self is counting on what you do next. See you in the next one.